All right, for homework 425, I'm going to show you an example. I'd like you to write it down, my words, and then I'm going to have you try one on your own. So here we go. You need to know when you're graphing these or comparing, you need to solve these for y first. You need to get this y all by itself. So my first step is to do the opposite of x, and that is to add 1x or add x. Same thing. Know that those are opposites. We'll cancel. Bring down that 2y. Make sure to not add x and 6. I'm going to write it 1x plus 6 just so I know it's in slope-intercept form, and I don't want to add that 1x and 6. Can't add those. My next step, opposite of timesing by 2, is dividing by 2. First word is flower, flower. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. Not just this, but everything, all three things divided by 2. So these go away. Bring this y down. I'm going to leave that slope 1 over 2x, but 6 over 2, I'm going to simplify that into 3. And if I had to write that as a decimal form so I could easily compare, that's 0.5x plus 3 for that first equation. It's got a slope of 0.5 or a rate of change, and has a y-intercept of 3. For my graph, I could get the equation from just looking at it. Looking at this point right here is my y-intercept of 1. This looks like from this point to this one, I'm going right 3, up 1. If I put that together as true slope, which is always the rise over run, the going left to right part is the run. The rise is 1. So if I wrote this equation, it would be y equals 1/3 x plus 1. And again, that 1/3 right there, changed to a decimal, would give me y equals 0.3 with a bar over it because it's repeating, plus 1. And again, that number in front of x, that is my slope. I could see for these two, the 0.5 slope is bigger. This one has a bigger slope. The number in front of its x is bigger than the graph. But if I look at my y-intercept, looks like that one has a bigger y-intercept too, a double. So this one has a bigger slope and a bigger y-intercept, which of course over here on the right, this one has a smaller slope. This one's smaller than the first one. This one has a smaller y-intercept, the y-intercept of 1. The other one has a y-intercept of 3. All right, second word is fish. Fish. What I'd like you to do is do this one on your own. I'd like you to solve this for x. You're going to add 6x first, and then I want you to compare it to this line right here. I want you to tell me which one has the bigger slope, which one has the bigger y-intercept, which one has the smaller slope and smaller y-intercept. Last word is ice. Ice. Good luck.